I like to demonstrate the power of Dylan. Shayna, come here. Shayna. You want to go see Dylan? You want to go get Dylan? You want to go get Dylan? Where's Dylan? Where'd he go? Shayna, where is he? You want to go get him? You want to go get Dylan? Okay, come on. Let's go get Dylan. Come on. Let's go get Dylan. Come on. Let's go get Dylan. Okay. We're going to go get Dylan. Okay. Come on. Okay. Oh, let me get the keys. Hold on. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go get Dylan. Okay. Now, normally, go in the elevator. When we go down, she has to take a left to go out the building. She knows we're going to get Dylan, so we're going to go up and go to the 3rd floor. And she'll have to take a right. Right, Shayna? We're going to go get Dylan. Let's go get Dylan. Okay, come on. I know. What do you think about Dylan? Sit. Shayna, sit. Not so good about that. Sit. Shay. You want to go get Dylan? Okay, come on. Let's go get Dylan. Let's see if she goes right. You want to go get Dylan? Come on, let's go get Dylan. She knows where Dylan's house is. Okay, I'm coming. We're going to go get Dylan. Gotta get Dylan. Come on. Where's Dylan? What do you think about Dylan? Where is he? Dylan! Oh, Dylan! Hi, Dylan! Hi! Your girlfriend's here! Shay, give him kisses. Shay, give Dylan kisses. Come here. Give Dylan kisses. Okay, let's go outside, guys. Good job, Shayna.